first step is to find a container. So because I'm on a budget, I am looking in my yard for something interesting or a container that I maybe don't use anymore. I have this pot, but I like it, and even though it's messy right now, I could probably make it work. I have this one, which is a heart. Oh. I have this, which is not being used. It looks dirty, but I wonder if I cleaned it up, how I could improve this container. I think I like it. Let's use this. All right, so there's my container. Let's take it inside and wash it up and see how we can make it better. Alrighty, now I'm gonna wash my pot. See how good I can clean this thing up. All right, next I'm going to go shopping in my yard for succulent cuttings to add to my pot. So this is jade. I'm actually gonna cut things I would already trim because they're in the walkway. This whole plant needs to be cut back. And that should probably be enough. And looking for the next succulent. I know I have this guy who's overgrown like crazy. Here, this one looks good. I'm gonna take this guy and I'm gonna cut him right here. I got the beautiful flower. I'm gonna take these bottom leaves off to create more of a stem to stick into the soil. Now, these leaves, you can actually put them in dirt and they will grow you another succulent. Look at this. Now we're gonna have this beautiful plant for our pot that includes a flower. I love it. On to the next plant. This one is great because look how it's too long, it needs to be cut, and look how it just kind of falls over the edge. That's gonna look great in our pot. So let's grab some of that. This guy is different, kind of big, but why don't we get a little bit of that to add color? The little red rims are gorgeous. Let's see what else we've got. You know what, this might look great in our pot. Just like one floret. Let's grab him. Look how beautiful that is. That's gonna be great as a centerpiece. Okay, here we go. I've got my soil.